One of the biggest challenges in any large EPC solar street lighting project is meeting the deadline and completing the work on time. During traditional solar street light installations, engineers often face issues related to high labor costs and complex wiring systems. Did you know that nearly 30% of the time in a typical solar street lighting project is wasted just on digging trenches and laying cables? Today, we will explore how modern engineering has permanently eliminated these installation pain points. In traditional split systems, the solar panel, battery, and light are installed separately. This requires digging large underground pits to build battery boxes and using long cables for connections. Over time, these underground cables can get damaged due to saline water or rodents, making fault detection and repairs extremely costly. Moreover, placing batteries underground creates a serious risk of short circuits caused by moisture and humidity. In a 1,000 light project, if each light takes 5 hours to install, completing the entire project can take several months. Providing separate wiring connections for every pole also increases the chances of installation errors. For engineers, this creates massive operational pressure. EPC contractors often face project delays and end up paying penalties due to this slow installation process. DEL has introduced a revolutionary solution to this problem through its all-in-one design. In our system, the solar panel, LED lamp, LiFePO4 battery, and MPPT charging controller are all integrated into a single unit. As a result, there is no need for external wiring or underground excavation. It is a simple plug-and-play system that can be installed by a single technician in just 15 minutes. This solution saves up to 80% of your project time and reduces labor costs by nearly 50%. Our system features a 0 to 90 degree adjustable bracket that can be easily set at any angle. Thanks to its aluminum alloy body, the unit is lightweight, yet strong enough to withstand wind speeds of up to 176 kilometers per hour. Our optimized installation spacing, combined with the high efficiency of Philips and Osram LEDs, delivering 200 to 240 lumens per watt brightness, ensures maximum illumination for your EPC project, while using fewer poles. Project success depends on speed. Save time, reduce costs, and choose Dell's reliable plug-and-play technology. Visit today to download the complete technical specifications and catalog for your next large EPC project. solar-led-streetlight.com